You've seen Chicken Sex, the first with Susie and Rodriguez. But now, we got a new surprise for you. Chicken Sex, a threesome with Susie's twin cousin, the Peach Gobbler. Pop your back a little, buddy. Here you go. Woo, get some! Oh, take them on at the same time. That's the way to do it. Oh, yeah. You like that. Like the little booger. I wish I was him. Oh, yeah. Oh, don't run from it, ladies. Don't run from it.
And remember, folks, you can get this for the low, low price of $3,000.
There's enough of that cock to go around, ladies.
We weren't talking about the movie.
Oh, someone hatched an egg.